Hey everyone, good morning to you. It is Pip. Thanks for everybody and joining me yesterday and meeting all the new people. We're going to do another Pip's Plane Spotting live alliteration aside today. So that's Friday beginning at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Or if you are learning how to do Zulu time, which we do love, the UTC time, that will be at 20 Zulu. So join me at 20 Zulu or 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for Pip's Plane Spotting Live from Salt Lake City International Airport. Today we'll be looking at the west side of the airport, so I hope you'll join me to get a new angle and look forward to seeing you then.